What it do, peeps? It's the Beat Chef. I'm back with another box opening. I told you I was going to get some more 2023 McDonald's High School All-American. So I bought 4 boxes. I bought them from the a store online called the Collector Store. I'll put the link to the store in the description. Pretty good store to get cards from. So let's get the opening. See what we got. See what we got. And in this set, they have the base set is action shots, and then they'll have like some portraits. They have some portraits in there. They have autos, a couple autograph cards might appear in some boxes, and then they have some variations called Ray Waves. So yeah, that's what's in the box. And pretty soon, a lot of these kids will be going into their sophomore years. Some of them actually declared for the draft, and they got drafted, like Stephen Castle, Isaiah Collier. Okay, that's a Mackenzie Mabaku. That's a portrait. I'll just put them in order. Portrait. Xavier Booker. Portrait. That's a Brea Cunningham. Ray Wave, and it'll have it'll either have waves on the over the card itself or on the edges. So I'll put that right there. And then this is a Mackenzie Baku. That's a action shot. It's just basically just off the court picture. Let's see. Yeah, there's 7 packs in each box. And 4 cards in each box in the pack. Jada Williams. That's an action shot. So I'll put her right there. KK Arnold, action. DJ Wagner. Father played in the league. That's a portrait. That's how the portraits look. Stephen Castle. Won a national title at UConn, got drafted by the San Antonio Spurs, should have a big season. Following the footsteps of Tony Parker, playing for Coach Pop. And that NBA season kicks off in about in a little bit over a month. So I know we're just in the start of football, but yeah, basketball's right there. Stojakovic, dad played in the league. Cody Williams. Action, future stars. They have a bunch of these that come in future stars. DJ Wagner portrait, another one. Ashlyn Shade, that's a Ray Wave. You can see the waves in it. Those pretty cool cards. Justin Edwards, action shot. Ronnie Holland II. Bronny James. And a Bronny James portrait, back to back. That's another one of their special cards that come in there. And they're like numbered like 2K, 2K17, 2K20, or whatever. They're just a little bit different than the normal action shot. And they didn't do all the players in that. Only did specific players in those certain cards. Jared McClain action. Ashlyn Shade action. Another Bronny James portrait. Jaden Donovan portrait. I'm gonna have to send some of these off to get graded, and I might do a video on grading cards. Pre-grading, I should say, to send them off to PSA or CGC. Especially the Bronny James. With him coming into the, with him playing with his father this season, his card's probably going to be sought after. Amanda Muse, action. Marco Jackson, portrait. Reed Shepard, portrait. Madison Booker, UT Longhorn, portrait. DJ Wagner and Isaiah Collier, Ray Wave. I guess they won MVP in the McDonald's game, so they got them together. It's pretty cool. Let's see what this is the last pack. Let's see what we get. A Riley Nelson portrait. Addie Brown portrait. Michaela Williams. One of those special cards like LeBron's. Jada Williams portrait. I recently saw Jada Williams. She was on Shador Sanders' podcast, and she plays at Arizona along with Brea Cunningham. And they should have a loaded squad this year. It's going to be real interesting to see how Arizona bounces back this year. I'm really looking forward to the women's game starting back up, especially like Juju Watkins. I'll put this down there. At USC. And really getting to see who's probably going to be the first pick of next year's WNBA draft, Paige Beckers, or as they call her, Paige Buckets. Sahara Williams portrait. Matthias Bazilis. Okay. Ronnie Holland II. Huh, interesting card. It's numbered. That's 38 out of 75. Huh, it's got the gold around it. Real nice. And Juju Watkins and Hannah Hidalgo, MVP, co-MVP of the game. Just like the Warren Wagner and Isaiah Collier card. That's cool. Michaela Williams, action. Layla Reynolds, action. Donovan, portrait. Jeremy Fears Jr., portrait. The trash is piling up. Brandon Garrison, action. Xavier Booker, action. Michaela Williams, future star. Yeah, I like those future star cards. Madison Booker, action. Okay, the boys team with the Ray Wave. That's pretty cool. That's a big portrait, boy. Bronny James, action. Riley Nelson, action. Hannah Hidalgo, a special card. And then a Hannah Hidalgo, action. Yeah, Hannah Hidalgo and Malaysia Fulawale got to be two of the fastest guards I've ever seen play. Those girls can get up and down the court. Lightning. Tessa Johnson hit some big shots in the championship game for a freshman. Kwame Evans. Madison Booker. Zoe Brooks, action. Almost down to that last pack. Stojakovic, Sophie Bell. This is another one of their special cards. They call them New Waves. Yep, that's how it looks. Put that over there. Omaha Killebrew, action. And a Sophie Bell Ray Wave. Bunch of Ray Waves in the first two boxes. Okay. the girl's portrait. Okay. All right, Amanda Muse portrait. T.U.S.S.L.E. Put that over there. And an Aaron Bradshaw. Third box. See what we get. See if we pull an autograph out of this one. See if we pull an auto. See if we pull an autograph. Pull an autograph coming. It'd be nice to get one of the Lady Hoop autographs. Xavier Brooks portrait. Jada Williams action. Omaha Bilal. That's one of those special cards. Aaron Bradshaw portrait. Let's see what we get. I'm not gonna make another couple stacks. Amanda Johnson portrait. Isaiah Collier, Future Stars. Stojakovic, Ray Wave. Hannah Hidalgo portrait. Jared portrait. Ogden portrait. Evans portrait. Scott portrait. Oh, that's action. Okay. Let's see. Johnson. Oop, that's action. Make another powerful action. That's a portrait. Muse. Ray Wave. Portrait. Portrait. Action. It's a weird card. It's number 2. Got the purple on it. It's 203. No, number 2 out of 125. Ala del Rosario. Interesting card with the purple on there. And an action. So that might be good. That might have been the big hit out of that box. Out of that pack, I mean. Portrait. Tessa portrait. Oh, Rosario. Her other card. And an action. Stephen Castle. Yeah, some of those guys, these are basically a rookie cards. So I'll probably start sorting them out and putting some of the guys that already got drafted into the league together and look at them and see which ones I can send off to get graded. That's portrait. Portrait. Action. Ronnie James Ray Wave. Looks good. Looks good. I'll probably give it probably get it. I might get it graded and get it graded and then do it as an offer and do it as a giveaway on one of the shows. That's what I'll do. I'm starting to get a bunch of Ronnie James cards. I think the other video, I pulled 2 of them. Last box. Portrait. Action. Another numbered card. Number 23 of 150. Mackenzie Maboko. And a Jada portrait. Taylor Reynolds, action. Brandon Garrison, action. The co-MVPs, got those. Let's see what else we get. Let's see what we get, folks. Xavier Booker, action. Bronny James, action. Future Stars. Jeremy Fears, portrait. Courtney Ogden, Ray Wave. It's a good hobby to get into, especially I'm getting back into it. That I used to do as a teenager and a kid, getting cards. I still got a bunch of them. I might do a show on some of the old stuff that I got. Show you guys what cards y'all interested in collecting. Cody Williams, Madison Booker, action. What sports? Baseball, football. And now with the NIL coming in, now the colleges are starting to have their own sets of cards, which is pretty neat. Like you can get if you're a USC fan, you can get the whole Trojan team. Hannah Hidalgo and Sophia Bell, action. You can get the whole team set. Football and basketball. You know, I saw a UConn Husky women's basketball team card already. It was like, I think I saw it in July. Sophia Bell portrait, the group portrait, action, Ray Wave, bunch of Ray Waves. Yeah, so they have a lot of flavor now in the cards. Action, special card, and an action card. So yeah, it was a lot of nice little hits in this. No autographs, but you know, it was some nice little cards and a lot of cards that'll get graded and do well. And we'll just have to see how these men and women, how their careers pan out as they go into life and have a great college career and maybe go to the WNBA, maybe go to the NBA. We'll just see. But I love the hobby. I love collecting. And hey, I thank you for joining. Like, share, and subscribe. Hey, leave your comments below. What are you interested in? What do you like to collect? Let me know. Let's talk it up. Peace.